Alright, they got me in here by myself today. Trying to get this finished up. It's going good though. Getting ready to put the running water. The pipes in the ditch here. Got that drain in. Okay. I'll come up and this part of the wall right here for the water, and go ahead and put that laundry box in so we can get the water to that, and go ahead and loop it again back to that back wall where the main water is. Let's take a look back there. Take a look back there. Okay. Okay. Going up into that wall there. Right by that drain there. Okay. So that's going good. It's going real good. Kind of like working by myself. And I may have to do every little thing, but at least it will be the best it can be done. So when I get some help, we should be moving right along, but I'm gonna keep going until we can get this ready for inspection. So depends on if I have all the pieces I need for the wall rough, we'll do that. But if not, we'll go ahead with the ground rough and take it from there. Other than that being said, just an update on what's going on. With that being said, I say shalom.